Welcome back to my channel. Measure, Meet and Make MMM. I want to show you how to formulate young looking skin serum using lemon peel powder. Lemon peel powder contains vitamin C, which supports the skin in production of collagen. Collagen has many skin health benefits ranging from anti-acne, anti-sunburn, anti-aging, removal of wrinkles, and overall brightening of skin. Join me as we produce this young looking skin serum using lemon peel powder. Now, to prepare our young looking skin serum using lemon peel powder, these are the things you need. You need lemon peel powder, you need olive oil, you need vegetable glycerin, you need aloe vera, distilled water, you need your yogurt acid, that's your preservative. You measure 1 gram of lemon peel powder. I will measure 7 grams of aloe vera gel. I will add 4 grams of olive oil, 5 grams of glycerin, now I will add 1 ml of distilled water. Then I will stir all together. So you keep blending this together. If you like, you can add your vitamin E, but here I didn't add it. It still has no problem. Now I will have to add my preservative, about 0.2. Then you keep turning it, blend it very well. Your lemon peel skin serum is ready. As you can see, you take benefits of anti-acne, anti-sunburn, anti-wrinkle, young looking skin. All these you will enjoy by preparing this lemon peel skin serum. Follow us and recommend this video to your friends by sharing so that they can enjoy a glowing skin like you. This really smells fresh.